This is actually bench top like robotics for the full assembly operations. And once they get picked from feeder, then can be through on different location. Whether job surface is narrow or second different depth. So we can make customization accordingly. This is another logo, Western logo from soldering application here because they need so that's then work and quality work. Depending on the application, is stack the head and we give solutions to the customer. This is actually dispensing robo for spray coating like the formal or some other coatings. Here actually put it from the tank, the pump over sport and then we can spray all different applicator have different bits requirement. We integrate accordingly. We will also another go for dispensing. If we also when leader will come different type of cartridge, we customize it according the product. This is a multi-point soldering, like if you have some wires we recorder on the PCB multi-point critical loss. So this will increase the efficiency of the production.